I just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy up the Crazy. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG in Tokyo performing Puppet Show. Let's get it. Let's go. I love Puppet Show. I haven't listened to this song in ages. Yes, I'm releasing this before New Dance and stuff like that. It's time I get what I deserve.
It's time I get what I deserve. I don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard.
This part.
Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't not for the baiting. We'll stop playing. Bro, we go the different route.
Ready for a magic?
Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking like a lady.
Fuck off, Julia.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Background and fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Where we could
Wow.
play different roles, where girls be taking control. Background and fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Welcome to the Puppet Show, where we play them like they plastic dolls. They'll do anything.
This song hits, man.
When you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play them like the toys.
My
They'll do anything. When you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play them like the toys. Won't make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything. Gonna play them like the toys.
Why is this song so raw? Out of all of the performances, this song has been one of the most rawest ones, right? Like, this sounds hella raw. I love it though. I'm not even complaining. But wow. Like, it sounds so raw. I love it.
They'll do anything when you got him by a street.
Damn, man. Ah, yes.
I'm on the way my way, unapologetic. I'ma cut you off like my Felicia with it. I'm the controller, playing like a Atari. Any game, but what's the say so? Got it. But it better run for it to please me.
Wow.
Unapologetic. I'ma cut you off like my Felicia with it. I'm the controller, playing like a Atari. Any game, but what's the say so? Got it. But it better run for it to please me. I just make it through the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything's so easy. And they call off my own dreams come true.
Sorry, that smile just put such a big smile on my face. Hinata
I just
smile.
make it through the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything's so easy. And they call off my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking control.
Fucking hell.
Wow. Call off my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking
The power? You can hear the, do you know what I hear there? The Beyonce influence.
dreams come true. Ooh.
That?
Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where
You know
we
what
be
I mean?
taking control.
Where it's like, it's still light, but it's very, it's very strong at the same time.
And they call off my own dreams come true.
It's nice. I like that.
Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking control. Background and fingers, they couldn't tell us no.
Damn.
Welcome to the Puppet Show. To the Puppet Show, we're playing like
Oh, this is my favorite part.
like the plastic dolls. Do anything.
The
When you
anthem.
got 'em hanging by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. Like the toys. They can do anything.
I love it.
Gonna play it like the toys, like the toys. Make it so what we enjoy. Do anything, anything. When you got 'em by the stream, yeah.
Oh, the bridge.
Follow my
I keep on forgetting about the bridge. Oh,
when you
no.
got 'em by the stream,
Oh,
yeah. Follow my lead. Just leave the whole thing up to me. My expertise, yeah.
I don't think I'm ready for the bridge. Are you, Majo? I actually feel like winding the whole thing back because I'm not ready for the bridge yet. Oh no! I am not ready for this bridge. That's crazy. That the way Chisa hit, Julia hits that. Crazy.
Just leave the whole thing up to me. My expertise, yeah, yeah. Welcome to the puppet show. When we play it like a plastic dolls, they'll do anything, anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, by a string. Welcome to the show.
Damn, Chisa. Wow.
By a string.
Oh my god.
Welcome to the show.
I love this part because Maya, I like how it changes. Maya leads the chorus and Chisa's doing the backup vocals. Before, it was Julia doing the backup doing the chorus and Maya backing her up, right? And I like how it flips. And this time it's Chisa backing up Maya. I love that. I reckon it's so cool how they do that. I reckon it's one of my favorite things about this song.
They'll do anything, anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, by a string.
Woo!
Welcome to the show. They'll do anything, anything. They'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, by a string. Gonna play 'em like a toy, play 'em like
And now
a toy.
Julia backs up Jordan. I love this. I love it. It's so good. Ooh. Did you hear that? I like how she did that. Anything. She went deep. She went low. Fuck, what a song. I forgot how good this song is. That's why when I clicked on it, I was like, oh, yes. Because you know why? When I went to see XG, they didn't perform this version of Puppet Show. They performed the slower version. Even though the slower version is amazing, I prefer the original. I personally prefer the original. I just like the tempo of the original version of Puppet Show. Damn, bro, XG have such a good catalog. I keep on forgetting like how good XG's catalog is. Like crazy good. That's why, remember, imagine, like when I clicked on this, we were just scrolling through. I was looking for New Dance and then I saw Puppet Show. I was like, oh, let's record this. Like, just in case people wanted to know, I was looking for New Dance. But then I was like, I heard Puppet Show and I was like, oh, yes, let's do this. I'm like, I haven't listened to Puppet Show in forever. So I would love to listen to this. Their bridges are special, man. What I love about XG is a lot of their songs can be seen as very, very simple, but because of their bridges, the ad-libs, the rapping, they make it have that special twang to it, that special shine. You know what I mean? They got that special like gloss to it. What I feel like is whenever I listen to a XG song, I know there's gonna be something special. Every time. It has that special. Do you know what it is? They have it. No disrespect to other songs, they actually have the final product. It doesn't seem lazy. It seems like they actually think about the music. Like, you know, because I listen to other groups and they go, oh, we look up to this. Why don't you make the music like that then? Why doesn't your music sound like it? Right? Am I wrong? Why doesn't the final product of the song sound like it? Like when I listen to their music, the final product sounds like a final product. You know what I mean? It doesn't sound like a demo. I've never said, oh, XG's music sounds like a demo. Have you? Never. That's one thing XG I give them their credit for. Even Tippy Toes and stuff like that. Like, no disrespect, I'm not the biggest fan of Tippy Toes or Mascara, but even them, they don't have that. I understand why they dropped those two songs. That two songs was to show something different. You know what I mean? That was something different. So then they can drop left, right, and stuff like that. I understand that. When I think about it, that's actually a great way to start. Because once they dropped Left, Right, and Shooting Stars, everyone was like, oh, that's what type of music they make. And they've never looked back since. And I'm actually glad that they ended up performing Tippy Toes and Mascara on here. Because I felt bad for those songs. You know what I mean? I felt bad for those songs because I was like, oh, damn, like they completely just took them off the set list. Like, I don't think both songs deserve to be taken off the set list. Especially Mascara, because I love Cocona's rap in Mascara. Is it Cocona or is it Maya? That, yeah, Mascara gang, and then suplex, skirt. Is that Cocona or Maya? I can't remember. You know what I'm talking about? That's one of the best verses that, like, they have. Like, rap verses. I remember, because that's one of my favorite parts of the song. Yeah, Mascara gang, and suplex, skirt. So, yeah, I love that rap. I'm not the biggest fan of the chorus and stuff like that, but I love the rap. I love the rapping in that song. Coconut, yeah, thought so. And I remember because I was like, oh, wow. I'm like, that's dope. I remember really enjoying it. But what I really love about XG is that, what was I going to say? Fuck, what was I about to say? That they make the music that they actually want to make. That's what I like about Simon. Simon's giving them music that you can tell they love performing. You know what I mean? Like, him and Chancellor, both of them, they're giving them music that they actually enjoy to perform. And you see it. You see it. You see how much fun they have with the new songs. You know? Yeah, oh, yeah, Mascara gang, Young World, don't play game. Yeah. I love that part. Dump you like a suplex, skirt. I love that part. I remember that the most. Dump you like a suplex, skirt. That's one of my favorite parts for sure. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say. So if you like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe. And remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Whoop.